So we'll be learning about the Canva app today. One thing with this app is that it needs strong data connection. Okay, so this is the Canva app. There is a free version and there is a pro version. All right. So one amazing thing about Canva is that you can use it for free, and there are also pro versions. Me now, I'm a pro user, so I can access this. But fine, there's no problem. You can also access some free options like these ones that doesn't have pro written on them. You can access them for free. So whenever you open your Canva app on your phone, this is what you are going to see. This is how the Canva app looks like. Now I'm going to be saying everything about Canva because this video is introduction to Canva app. This is your coach Victory and this is verb concepts. All right. So now if you want to make any design at all, you are going to click on this plus sign and boom, I clicked on the plus sign and this is where it's going to take you. The size, create new, like the size of what you want to create. Here is custom size, upload maybe from your phone, presentation size, document size, poster, resume, your story, Instagram size, phone wallpaper, logo, infographic, flyer, portrait, etc. There are so many. Then templates for you. You see other kind of templates like this. Now, since you want to create a new or design or flyer or whatever you want to create, you can either click on custom size. You can write the size of the weight of whatever you want to create. If it's logo is 500 times 500. All right. Then you can select create new design. Create new design. Now this is a blank sheet and this is the size we actually picked, 500 by 500 pixel for creating a logo. Now as you can see, this is a blank sheet and this is it, a blank sheet. Next thing we can do is we can select among this. Now we see design, elements, text, gallery, whatever we can options you need, you can choose. Now let's head over to design. Look at different kinds of designs that you can actually edit, and if you want to create your own logo from scratch, you can also do that. Very simple to create your logo from scratch. And if you want to edit any logo to fit your style, good, you can also do that. Now that is that about logo creation and all that. Okay, for those that don't know how to edit something, we are still going to be doing that. Let's move to create a design. Want to create a design. Now custom size, as I've shown you earlier, like when you want to choose whatever you want to design and you know the size already. Now these are other various kind of designs that are present here that you can choose, like the sizes, especially if you don't know the particular size you want. All right, so now let's go. Now among this place we can see a lot of things: ebook cover, banner, letter, head, planner, sticker, tag, worksheet, letter, report, Zoom virtual background, label, news, gift certificate, announcement, t-shirts, magazine cover, desktop wallpaper, postcard, phone wallpaper, graph, brochure, notepad, business card. Now let's choose business card. It will bring the size of a business card, which is this. This is the perfect size of a business card. Now we are going to look at the designs that are available for a business card, especially when you don't have your own design, or maybe you want to use other templates that are already available than for you to start creating from scratch. All right, we have business card, we have pink. I don't want pink. Let's see this green. Okay, blue. The ones with blue background. Let's see pink. Pink background business card. Business cards. There are so many, so many. Okay, food, food business card. Wow, there are so many. There are a lot. Construction business card. Anyone, you can even type any kind of business card you want, whether it's business, cooking business, or a business that is not here, real estate. You can type the business card that you want and create a nice business card, a good one. There are a lot. There are a lot. You can search for anything at all, even while you are in the free, in the free um in the free Canva option. There are still a lot. In Canva Pro, like the Pro, when you pay, there are still a lot. But you can actually do well to make use of the free Canva. You might not be able to use all the templates. You might not be able to customize all the templates because some are pro, like paid. You have to pay for those ones. Me now, I'm using Canva Pro, that's why I can access everything. But you might not be able to, access everything. But you can still access plenty. I tell you, you can still access plenty. So let's see this black. All right. So I'll be editing one of them to actually show you how a business card should look like. All right, I've seen the perfect one. So this is a business card. This is a business card. All right, so if you have your logo, you can put your logo here. You can delete this one. You can actually put an image here too. To put an image here, well, is left for you, or it's your choice if you want to put an image or not, if you want to put text or not. So I'll just be doing this one. Okay, let's edit this. It's very easy to do. Alright. So I'm typing in the okay. So something like this. You can play around with the text, edit everything to suit what you want. All right. assuming I've edited this, and I've edited this, I'm just assuming your business card is ready. Because of time, then you can either download from here or here. So let me download it. And boom, we've created a business card. We've created a business card. Now let's move to other ones. So create a design, just to show you how many designs you can actually create from. There are so many. You can create a YouTube thumbnail, you can create a book cover, you can create a flyer, a logo, whatever. I would have loved to show you everything one after the other, but if I do that, I'm very sure that the time is going to be so long, and sometimes long videos, you just tend to have that laziness to watch them. So I don't want the video to be too long. All right, but let me try and show you one more thing. So let's see this ebook cover. Yeah, this is the size I want. It is the perfect size for an ebook cover. As I said earlier, your data connection must be strong whenever you are on the Canva app. So now click on design and let's see what we have here. Wow, look at them. I would love to search for fantasy. And you can search for anything. No, let me just use the first one here, so I won't be wasting time. Yeah, wow, this is it. It's a simple ebook cover. Now, why did I say legendary of story sky? This was even very easy to edit. I can just choose to edit it anyhow I want. I don't even know what to write. I don't know what to write. Let me write when sky. Is it possible? The sky. The sky. I don't know. Let me just write anything. Becomes the limit of time. I don't know. Just okay. The sky becomes the limit of time. Which kind of topic is this? Anyways, is an explanation or explanatory video. So by whatever. By who? by Vicky. Okay. So now it's actually nice and easy when you know what you are doing. It's nice and easy. So there are still other, like a lots of things. Logo, birthday flyer, banner, IV, whatever. Just go to create new design. Now here you can see your recent designs that you've done, and here is the home page. If you want to go back to the home page of Canva, this is it. You can also see some things here: website, web document, presentation, video, social media, flyer, portrait, logo, YouTube thumbnail, etc. These are your recent designs that you did. You can actually see them too. These are other things like presentation, whatever. Now let me see. Let me go to the free option and see how my home page looks like in the free option. Let me see how my home page looks like in the free option. You have to have a very strong data connection when using Canva. However it looks like, we see that it's still for the same purpose. So let's head over to Chrome. You can type DIY book cover. DIY book cover. That book cover I created, I want to put it in the 3D format. So this is it, DIY book covers. So we have different formats. I'll just pick one. Let's pick this first one. Now click on next. Now upload, browse it. The book cover I just made, that was just made. Okay, I'll put it. Then it's definitely going to load. Then I'll click on next. Download it anyhow, maybe JPG or PNG, one with background and one without background. Then open. This one is with background. You can see that my book now has a mock-up. My book now looks like a book. So that is just, the usefulness of mock-up pages and all that stuff like that. I think we need to stop here. You've known a lot about the Canva app, and I want you to practice everything I was able to touch. Those other sizes, animations, and whatever, you can actually check them out, and just try everything. This is your time. All right, so thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do everything, replicate everything I did, or even more. All right, bye.